we will go to the third sub question, fourth minute, Ex-11.4. So question is, we will choose the correct answer. That is, question is, we have to find the value of secant A plus tan A is equal to 1 minus sin A. We have to find 4 options given, which is the correct option we have to find out. So we'll take the question secant A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. So the previous problem also I told. So when you cannot apply any identity, so one thing you can do is directly all you can convert into secant, sine and cos. Convert all the trigonometry in sine and cos. So because all trigonometry are related to either sine or cos, so you can convert. So here sine is already there, so no need to convert it. But here if you see secant, I can write as 1 by cos A, because they are reciprocal, one sine, secant and cos. What is tan? Tan is again the ratio of tan sine A by cos A into 1 minus sine A, as it is, because already it is sine. Now what you can do here, you can see here this is nothing but I can take LCM as cos A. If I take LCM as cos A, the LCM denominator same, so numerator also will be same. So 1 plus sine A into 1 minus sine A divided by 1 also I can write down, no need to write. Now it is again multiplication of fractions, so multiply numerator, denominator into denominator. So if you see numerator, it will be 1 plus sine A into 1 minus sine A divided by cos A. Now 1 plus sine A into 1 minus sine A. If you see, again this is in the form of A plus B into A minus, that is A square minus B square. So A is 1, B is sine. So we can write this as 1 square minus sine square A divided by cos A, because the reason A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So this numerator written in the form of, it was in the form of A plus B into A minus B, written in the form of A square minus B square. Now again, now this is related now. 1 minus sine square and cos A. You see the identity. Sine square A plus cos square A is 1. So cos square A will be 1 minus sine square. So this I can write it as, in place of 1 square I can write it as 1. Both are one and the same. So I can write it as 1 minus sine square A divided by cos A. So now, in place of 1 minus sine square A, I can write it as cos square A divided by this denominator as it is cos A, because cos square A is equal to 1 minus sine square A. The first identity, what we learned, that is sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So you want the value of 1 minus sine square A means, so take sine square A, cos square A is equal to 1 minus sine square. That is what we written it. Okay. So now we have, so here cos square means 2 cos are there. So 1 cos get cancelled, and one more cos is left out in the numerator, that is cos A. So cos A, option D is correct. So for third sub question, option D, cos A is the answer. Okay.